Big news from the Supreme Court. On Monday, the nation's highest court is set to dive into a heated legal battle over the constitutional validity of the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. Buckle up because this is one controversy you don't want to miss. Weeks ago, the government hit pause on two major parts of this contentious law after intense scrutiny from the apex court. What's at stake? The denotification of Waqf properties, including Waqf by user, and the inclusion of non Muslims in the Central Waqf Council and boards. It's a debate that's sparking fire across the country. On April 17, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the centre, assured the bench led by Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna alongside Justices Sanjay Kumar and K.V. Vishwanathan that no Waqf properties will be denotified and no appointments to Waqf bodies will be made until May 5th, that is today. Mehta argued passionately that the law was passed with due deliberations by Parliament and urged the court not to stay without hearing the government's side. But the Supreme Court wasn't backing down. They made it crystal clear. Registered Waqf properties will not be touched until the next hearing. The court also gave the centre a week to respond to the flood of petitions challenging the law's validity. And here's the kicker, they have limited the hearings to just 5 out of over 70 litigations. So, what's next? Will the Waqf Amendment Act stand tall or will it crumble under the weight of these challenges? The Supreme Court's decision could reshape the future of Waqf properties and religious governance in India. Stay tuned because this story is far from over. This is Salar Digital bringing you the pulse of the nation. Until next time, stay informed.